Microsoft is cutting 2,850 jobs. According to a July 28th Microsoft filing, the company will lay off 2,850 people by the end of the fiscal year 2017. You might be thinking, hey, wait, didn't Microsoft announce it was cutting something like 2,000 jobs recently? And you'd be right. Back in May, Microsoft announced it would cut 1,850 jobs. Those layoffs mostly affected those working on Microsoft's Lumia phone business. This latest news is a new round of layoffs, so these are 2,850 job cuts that are in addition to the previously announced 1,850 job cuts. Oh, and back in July 2015, the company cut 7,800 jobs. That's 12,500 jobs total that will no longer exist by the end of Microsoft's fiscal year 2017. So how many people is Microsoft keeping around then? Is it just going to be CEO Satya Nadella in an office alone with Cortana? Nah, Microsoft's filing says as of June 30th, the company employs approximately 114,000 people on a full-time basis. 63,000 are in the United States, while 51,000 are international jobs. Microsoft has not commented as to where this latest jobpocalypse would happen, nor what divisions will be affected. That's it for this tech news update. I'm Ayaz Akhtar, and you can stay on top of the biggest stories at cnet.com/update.